Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Lots of iPhone users are reported that they are facing fast battery drain issues on their iPhone after the latest version of iOS update. So in this tutorial I will show you how to fix fast battery drain issues on iPhone. Solution 1. Turn off location services. If the iPhone battery is too low, turning the location off will help it last longer. For that, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Next, turn off the toggle for location services. Solution 2. Remove unnecessary widgets from the home screen. To remove widgets, long press on it and choose Remove Widgets. In the pop-up, choose Remove to confirm. Solution 3. Use dark mode. To do this, open the Settings app. Find and tap on Display and Brightness. Under Appearances, tap on Dark. Solution 4. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Tap again on Background App Refresh and on the next screen choose Off. Solution 5. Turn on Auto Brightness. First go to Settings, tap on Accessibility, tap on Display and Text Size, scroll to the end and ensure the toggle for auto brightness is green. Solution 6. Enable optimized battery charging. For that, open Settings app, find and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Ensure optimized battery charging is toggle on. Solution 7. Turn on low power mode. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Battery. Enable low power mode. Solution 8. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 9. Update to the latest version of iOS. To update, go to the Settings app. Find and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 10. Turn off Raise to Wake. To do this, go to Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down to find the Raise to Wake. Toggle the feature off. Solution 11. Turn on Reduce Motion. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Motion. Select Reduce Motion and turn the toggle on. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.